You're welcome to Basic Science and Technology class for JS1. Today we shall be looking at common building materials. Let us look at the objective. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to do the following. 1. State some of the common building materials we have. 2. State the uses of wood as a building material. 3. State the uses of metal as a building material. 4. State the uses of cement, gravel, and sand as building materials. 5. State the uses of glass, ceramic, and grass as building materials. Common building materials. Building materials are of various types, but the commonest one amongst them are cement, sand, gravel, metal, plastics, wood, glass, leaves and grasses, and ceramics. Cement. Cement is a compulsory material used in construction buildings. Cement is a mineral resource derived from limestone. It is packaged into bags and is usually mixed with sand or gravel to build houses. Let's look at some of the common uses of cement. Cement is a water-based binder used to bind other building materials together. It is used in the production of mortar and concrete during construction processes. It becomes concrete when mixed with water, gravel, and stones. It holds the structure together and firmly. By the right side of your screen are pictorial representation of cement that has been packed into bags. Sand. Sand is a material obtained from the earth's surface. It is also mixed with cement for construction buildings. Let's look at some of the common uses of sand. 1. Sand is mixed with cement and gravel to make concrete. 2. Sand is mixed with cement for building and plastering. 3. Sand is used for sand filling before flooring. And 4. Sand is used for brickwork and block making. Gravel. Gravel is a mineral resource obtained from rock and innermost parts of the soil. It is mixed with sand and cement for construction of buildings. The common uses of gravel are: 1. It is used in concrete making, and 2. Gravel is also used for road construction when mixed with asphalt. Metal. Metal is a material resource mined or extracted from iron ore. It is joined or layered and filled with mixed concrete cement to construct a building. Metal comes in various sizes and lengths. Common uses of metal. Metal is used as structural framework for larger buildings such as skyscrapers or as an external surface coverings. Metallic materials are used to construct doors, windows, frames, poles, and so on and so forth. Metal are used for constructing of roofing sheets. It is used as base for many building materials that requires protective coating. Plastic. Plastic are material resources and synthetic materials that can be formed into objects like water pipes. Plastic is used for constructing toilets, boreholes, kitchen sink, and so on and so forth. Wood. Wood is a material resource gotten from trees. They are gotten from felled trees and are cut into sizes, lengths, and shapes. Wood are used for construction building. Common uses of wood: 1. It is used for building roof. 2. It is used for forming shapes like arch, partitions, lintel, etc. Some staircase, floors, and even entire house are built with wood. Number 4. Household decorations and furniture are made of wood, e.g. table, chairs, bed, shelves, etc. Number 5. Wood are used for building frames. 6. Wood are used for casting concrete pillars and beams. By the right hand side displayed on your screen is an example of house that was built by wood. Glass. Glass is also a building material gotten from mixture of lime, potash, sand, and lead oxide. It is used for construction, frames, and windows. Common uses of glass in building construction: 1. Glass is used to make sliding windows and doors. 2. It is used for interior decoration items like shelves, center table, dining table, etc. 3. Glass optimizes the light transmission in architectural design of a building. 4. Some buildings are majorly constructed with glass instead of block. Now look at the right side of the screen. As displayed are buildings that were made with glass. Leaves and grasses. Leaves and grasses are gotten from bushes around our environment. They can be used when dry or fresh. They are usually cut with knives, cutlass, or sickles. Grasses are used for building traditional houses. Uses of leaves and grasses: 1. They are used to construct traditional buildings, e.g. thatched houses. 2. They are used to beautify recreation and relaxation centers. At the right side of the screen is displayed diagram of some houses that were built with leaves and grasses. Ceramic. Ceramic are materials made from natural clay. They are made into various shapes, sizes, and colors. They are also used in building houses. Common uses of ceramic include: 1. Ceramic materials are used for ceiling construction, e.g. suspended ceiling. 2. Ceramic products are used for floor tiles and wall tiles. 3. Ceramic materials are used to make bath tube, water sink basin, and plumbing materials. 4. Ceramic materials are used to produce electrical installation items, e.g. electric sockets and plugs. At the right hand side are display of ceramic products. Let's look at some evaluation questions. The first one: state and describe common building materials. State and describe common building materials. Then the second one: what are the uses of the various building materials that you have mentioned above? We have come to the end of the lesson. I want to thank you all for listening. I shall see you in the next class.